What's up guys, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In this video, we'll be looking at how to make good pixel art in Scratch. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to create a new project. And I'm going to call this project Good Pixel Art. So the first step you need to do is to switch to bitmap. So you just want to click this button and it'll switch to bitmap. So in bitmap, everything is made up of tiny little pixels. So as you can see, it's like sort of rectangle-ish. Okay. So the second step is to zoom in really big because we are going to set our pen size to 1, which is the third step. So this way, we can draw a pixel art like this. And the limit you can go is 5. So what I mean by that is that 5 is 1 square. And if you look at 10 or above, it's more than 1 square. So that's why 5, anything below 5 is 1 square. And then it gets smaller and smaller. And then 1 is just 1 square. 1 pixel, and then you can draw. So this, it looks like when you draw 5, and this is what it looks like when you draw 1. The size of the pixels. So you can see the difference that, of course, 1 is better because these pixels overlap each other and they don't really look smooth. So that's why you need to always make your pen size 1 when you do pixel art. And now you can draw anything you want, like a smiley face or stick figure or your next game, which is going to be Pixel. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Scratch tutorial. Peace out.